People all around the world have been worried about artificial intelligence and its potential takeover of civilization for a very long time. Who would have imagined that it would start with the arts and literature? There is no denying that the current developments in AI are truly remarkable. They sure have set the internet on fire. With the help of ChatGPT, a chatbot developed with the company's GPT-4 technology, OpenAI has maintained its dominance of social media after months of doing so with its AI image generator DALL-E 2. Elon Musk has stated that this is just the tip of the iceberg. Even though its name is not very memorable and may just as easily refer to a random computer component or an obscure legal phrase, GPT-3 and most recent GPT-4 is the most well-known language processing AI model online. There are a lot of potential uses for ChatGPT. It is anticipated that consumers will look into a variety of other potential applications for this technology in the future, including in search engines. Microsoft just announced they will release a new version of their search engine called Bing, with GPT-4 built in. Although chatbots have been around for a while, ChatGPT is thought to be a substantial advancement over earlier models in terms of comprehensibility, fluidity, and thoroughness. Asking allegedly about when Christopher Columbus visited the United States in 2015 is one example of a question that was created to deceive the bot in OpenAI's demonstration of ChatGPT's intelligence. While Columbus did not visit the United States in 2015, ChatGPT's response successfully avoided the trap by stating that it is possible to speculate on some of the possible responses he would have had to the country if he had. But how could Google stand by and let Microsoft or anybody else take a shot at its search dominance? The company revealed that Bard, a chatbot, will be released in the coming weeks. The debut looks to be a response to ChatGPT. In a blog post, Google CEO Sundar Pichai said that Bard, which was developed to conceal the trusted testers behind a conversational interface, is already available to the breadth of the world's knowledge. It uses a scaled-down version of Google's powerful artificial intelligence model, LaMDA, which was first introduced in May 2021 and is based on technology similar to ChatGPT. Google claims that by doing this, it will be able to reach a larger audience with the chatbot and gather user input to help address problems with the caliber and precision of the chatbot's responses. While text generation algorithms are clever, they are prone to falsification and can replicate unpleasant online speech patterns, which is why Google and OpenAI both use them to build their bots. The need to address these issues and the burden of upgrading this type of software with new information pose challenges to hopes of creating strong and successful new products on top of the technology, such as the assertion that chatbots may reinvent web search. Notably, Pichai did not discuss plans to integrate Bard into the search engine that generates Google's income. Instead, he showed how to apply the underlying AI technology cleverly and cautiously to enhance basic search. When there is not a single correct answer, Google will create a response from different viewpoints. For example, if someone inquired as to which instrument was simpler to learn, the guitar or the piano, the answer might be, some people say the piano is simpler to learn since the finger and hand movements are more natural. Some people contend that learning guitar chords is easier. Furthermore, Pichai mentioned that Google would like to make the underlying technology available to developers via an API, similar to how OpenAI does it with ChatGPT, although he did not give a deadline. But is it that easy to compete with ChatGPT, which has hit the media like a thunderbolt? After its new chatbot with artificial intelligence gave the incorrect response in a promotional film, investors wiped more than $100 billion off the value of Alphabet, the parent firm of the search engine, making Google's response to ChatGPT off to a humiliating start. Investor concerns that Microsoft, which is launching a ChatGPT-powered version of its Bing search engine, will hurt Google's business, cause the sell-off. The price of Alphabet stock dropped by 9% during regular U.S. trading hours but remained unchanged after. Experts have noted an error in the chatbot's response to the question in Bard's advertising materials. Google's rival to Microsoft-backed ChatGPT, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" And Bard prompted its response shortly after. The U.S. Center for Astrophysics Grant Tremblay tweeted, "Not to be a jerk, and I am sure BARD will be impressive, but for the record, the James Webb Telescope did not take the very first image of a planet outside our solar system." Google stated that the blunder, which was initially noted by Reuters, highlighted the need of testing new systems. BARD has only been made available to a group of expert testers. It has not yet been made available to the general public. As advertisers reduced their spending, Alphabet, whose primary business is Google, had a dismal fourth quarter. Microsoft has made a significant investment in the San Francisco-based OpenAI startup that created ChatGPT, and its decision to incorporate ChatGPT technology into its products, including search, has compelled Google, another significant AI investor, to take action. We will find out soon enough if Google's ChatGPT competitor is up to par. Thank you for watching. If you like what we are doing here, please consider subscribing. Hope to see you all in the next video.